We're live. We're looking at combinations. And Entschuldigung, Deutschland, in combinations, order just doesn't matter. So contrast to permutations, order doesn't matter. All right. So, for example, 52 card deck. I'm dealt 5 cards, like I'm playing some kind of poker or something. So really, what I'm worried about is, I'm not worried about what order I get them in. I'm just worried about how many different hands of 5 cards there could be. But we start out just like as if we're doing permutations. So we say, oh yeah, look at this. There's 52 possible cards for the first one, okay, times 51. And so this whole factorial pattern starts to emerge, times 48. So there we go. That's a lot of possible hands, okay? If I write it like this, though, this is permutations, because this is telling me what order or how many different orders there are. And so once again, just like we had permutations with repeated elements, what we're going to do is divide out all of the possible permutations of the 5 selected cards. And we just do that by dividing by 5 times 4. So could have 5 possibilities for the first position, times 4, times 3, times 2, times 1. Okay, so that's all there is to it. This is sometimes written this way: 52, choose 5, or 52, the combinations of 5 elements selected from 52. Once again, order doesn't matter. Sometimes you'll see this calculation written more generally like this, as 52 factorial over, let's see, 52 down to 48, 47 factorial. Is that right? 52 minus 5, 47 factorial times 5 factorial. Okay, so basically, by dividing by 47 factorial, it stops this whole factorial train on top at 48, because the 47 factorial divides into the 52 factorial. And then this is dividing out all the permutations. If this was, in general, n elements altogether, in other words, the 52 represents the entire population, we write it like that. And we're selecting 5. So if we're selecting r elements from n, we write it like this: n minus r factorial, and then we're selecting r elements, so it's written like that. So that's combinations. Order doesn't matter. This is the way we write it. Sometimes you'll see it written like this or written like this, but this is really the calculation. And that's all there is to combinations.